open tomorrow. I'm tired. Tomorrow we open it.
Let's open it.
You want to see what is inside? Not only for you. Do you know that?
Yeah, it's for everybody and my own is inside. My own is... Mommy, my own is down.
Oh, yeah, let's go and open it. Mega said it's for everybody and his own is inside. And I wanted to open this package tomorrow. And I'm with my net. We already. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's unbox. So that I can have peace from mind. You are closing your... Oh, sorry. The way they package this thing is so nice. 1, 2, 3. So it's key set for me, my friends together, because where this thing is coming from, it's very, very far. Transport alone, you can buy another carton of this. This one is oil, and this one is for the kids too. They package it together. So I'm going to
Gratitude
for
everyday moments.
It's like blueberry.
It's like blueberry. Blueberry.
This is about cooking.
The scent of the oil is very... Look at how shiny it is.
All daily blessings and God's
Your hair will grow very healthy now.
in order.
Mommy, let's open it.
The scent is 100 over 100. Oh my gosh. So, I think this one is there. This one is condition. And this product is for thinking one.
Celebrating everyday life as a gift from God. Simple, one repeatable. Celebrating everyday life as a gift from God.
Here we are. This is for you. Okay, guys, we are done. Unboxing. Boy, hey. This is Michael new product. Set of products for Michael hair. We are good to go. This is oil, extra oil, and this other kiss oil. We are good to go for my baby hair growth now. Michael, what do you have to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome, my baby. Your hair will no longer pain you anymore, right?
No.
Sorry.
You like jellyfish.
Eh? It's like what?
You like jellyfish.
He said it's like jellyfish. Guys, the scent of this product, I love it. I love it.